To 10 milliliters of permanganate solution, we are adding 10 drops of 6 molar HCl solution. And then we're going to add 5 drops, or until it changes color, of the bisulfate solution to this first test tube. And the solution is busy going colorless. Gonna add another drop to completely turn it colorless. And the solution is turned completely colorless. So to the second test tube that has 10 milliliters of permanganate solution in, we are going to add another 5 drops of the bisulfate solution. So as you can see, the color has turned to a light orange, light brown color.
Okay, so we'll now be adding 10 drops of 8 molar sodium hydroxide
To test tube 3.
just to ensure it's properly stirred. I'll use a glass rod. So now that we're in the basic solution, we'll add the reducing agent, the sodium bisulfite, 5 drops. Right, so our solution changed color again. Okay, so now to test tube 4 and 5, we'll be adding 2 drops and 1 drop of the sodium bisulfite respectively. So that was 2 drops, and now we'll be adding 1 drop. So the solutions have different shadings of orange and almost pink orange.
Adding 15 drops of HCl solution. So as you can see with this test tube now, we have a colorless layer that has formed at the bottom of the test tube, and the brown and green are busy separating. We are adding 5 drops of the HCl solution and then mixing it. We're going to add another few drops of the HCl solution. We added 3 drops of the HCl solution. So as you can see, the solution has now brown particles floating in and is slightly a greyish color. Okay, to test tube 8 we are now adding roughly 20 drops of HCl solution to test tube 8, and we're going to add them 5 at a time and then mix.
Okay, so now we'll be adding 15 drops of 6 molar HCl to test tube 9. Thereafter we'll be adding 10 drops of 8 molar sodium hydroxide. And add 1 more drop of the sodium bisulfite.
So the other Stefan here. Something went wrong that day when we recorded this practical. So don't pay too much attention to the colors in the video. And coming up in the next slide will be the colors that you should be using for test tubes number 1 to 10. So 6 initial refers to the layered experiment where you added the HCl to the solution, and please take note of that color.